Hello everyone, myself Seema Kalia, Assistant Professor in Botany. My college is ECW Guhana. I am here to want to discuss the topic that is lysosome. Now in this topic, first one I discuss here about the discovery and occurrence of lysosome. Lysosome first reported by the Belgian cytologist and the biochemist Christian de Douai in 1995, but under the microscope observed by the Novikov scientist. The lysosome, if we discuss the occurrence, they are present in the animal cell, but exception are there. They are absent in the red blood cells. Now, they are also found in the protista and the fungi and the plants, but like that all the organelles are absent in the prokaryotic one, like the lysosome are absent in the prokaryotic cells. Now, I want to discuss here about the historical background, then how the lysosome were discovered. The Christian de Douai discovered the lysosome in 1995. His work was the insulin in 1949. He worked on the insulin for the location of glucose 6-phosphate in the liver cell. He ruptured the liver cell. Then he find the sac-like structure which have the enzyme acid phosphatase. This sac-like structure having the enzyme acid phosphatase given the name lysosome. So the de Douai coined the term that is the lysosome. This work done by the Christian de Douai. This is the historical background of the how the lysosome were discovered. Now, definition given by the de Douai scientist. He defined the lysosome that the lysosome are the sac-like structure surrounded by the membrane and containing the enzyme acid phosphatase. Now, the word lysosome, how they taken lysosome word given, de Douai scientists given the word lysosome. Lyso means breaking thing apart. Soma means body. It means it help in cleaning up of the unwanted particle inside the cell or digestion of the any substance which enter in the cell done by the because the lysosome have the digestive enzyme which play the role in digestion inside the cell body. So that is why they call the cleanup up of the crew of the cell. For this work of the Christian de Douai scientist, he awarded the Nobel Prize in 1974. Now here in this diagram showing the location of lysosome, this green color dots showing the location of lysosome. These here in the diagram showing here, this is the single membrane bound bodies and having the matrix. So these lysosomes are originate from the Golgi apparatus by the exvagination of this particle. They form the lysosome. Now give here the define here again the introduction that what are the lysosome. It is a membrane bound organelle having the single membrane found only in the eukaryotic cell. Already discussed, they are absent in the prokaryotic one. That is why they are present in all the eukaryotic cells and having the digestive enzyme. They are found in the animal cell, but they are also present in the plant cells. But in many plants, if they are absent, their work is performed by the vacuole. Now the production of lysosome. I already discussed, they are produced by the budding of the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus give the exvaginations substances that form further the lysosome. The lysosome have the digestive enzyme. The lysosome, the enzyme that within the lysosome are made in the endoplasmic reticulum. We know that first the endoplasmic reticulum are formed, then endoplasmic reticulum giving the bulging structure that form the Golgi apparatus. Then Golgi apparatus form the lysosome. So this is the formation how the lysosome are formed. Now what are the type of enzyme present in the lysosome? First is the nuclease. Nuclease help in the breaking down the polynucleotides into the nitrogenous base phosphate and the pentose sugar phosphatase, break down the phosphate ester, lipase break down the lipid, protease break down the protein, glycosidase that help in the breakdown of the carbohydrate, sulfatase that breaking down the sulfate ester. These are the type of enzyme which are present in the lysosome. Now, this is the polymorphism in lysosome, the type of lysosome. First one is the primary lysosome. The primary lysosome are the sac-like structure enclosing the enzyme that are synthesized from the endoplasmic reticulum. These are the stored enzyme. The first one structure that are formed from the Golgi apparatus by the budding of the Golgi apparatus, that is the structure that is from the primary lysosome. When the primary lysosome fuse with the engulfing body inside the cell, that form is secondary lysosome. In this diagram I am showing here, that is the Golgi apparatus give the budding structure that form a primary lysosome. I already said that the primary lysosome have the enzyme, but the enzyme are synthesized from the endoplasmic reticulum. एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम से गोल्गी apparatus और गोल्गी apparatus से लाइसोसोम की फॉर्मेशन होती है. अब एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम के अंदर एंजाइम थे, उन्होंने बल्जिंग आउट किया, उनसे गोल्गी apparatus बन गया और गोल्गी apparatus ने फर्दर क्या बनाया, बल्जिंग आउट किया प्राइमरी लाइसोसोम. और प्राइमरी लाइसोसोम जब क्या है एनगल्फिंग बॉडी यानी किसी भी फूड पार्टिकल के साथ अगर अटैच हो जाता है, देन इट फॉर्म द सेकेंडरी लाइसोसोम. दिस इज further showing how the secondary lysosome are formed. This is the primary lysosome. If any organelle go degenerated, then under the degeneration it attach with the primary lysosome, then also form the secondary lysosome. Now, what is the autophagy? In this is the autophagy. When any organelle go degradation, you will know that in the any plant body or in a animal cell, million of cells are replaced every day. It means organelle and the cells are replacing their structure. The berries in this organelle are going to degrade. Then primary lysosome have the enzyme to remove this organelle from the cell, because having the degraded enzyme, this form the last structure that are here formed, that is called the residual body. Now, the autophagy is the normal physiological process in the body that deal with the destruction of the cell in the body. This is the normal process. In this, the destruction of the cells occur inside the plant cells. These whole of the cell are degraded in the plant body, and this is debris removed by the lysosome. So the lysosome maintain the homeostasis or normal functioning of protein degradation, turnover the destroyed cell organelle and the few cell formation. Now, what is the autolysis? Autolysis refer to the digestion of its own cell by the lysosome. When the lysosome are in the autophagosome, in the previous slide I discussed, when any organelle go destroyed, this is called the autophagy. When whole of the cell going destroyed by the lysosome, this is called the autolysis. The autolysis refer to the digestion of own cell by the lysosome. Autolysis digests its own cell. This is for the replacement, or you can say that the worn out tissue, worn out cells are replaced. If worn out cells are remaining in the any plant body or in an animal cell, it is harmful for the plant body and the animal cell. That is why these debris are removed by the lysosome, because the lysosome have the various type of enzyme which help in the replacing the dead part of that cells and removing the debris of that cell. The autolysis are occur during the amphibian metamorphosis and the insect metamorphosis. In this slide I want to show that during the larval stage there is a long tail, but during the autolysis process this tail go removed. This is the process of autolysis. Now the heterophagy. The heterophagy is the lysosomal digestion material process by the endocytosis. I already discussed, that is the secondary how the secondary lysosome are formed. When the any substance, any food particle, if the food particle are in the solid form, enter inside the cell, that is called the phagocytosis. If any food particle, substance and particle that are in the liquid form inside in the cell, that is called the pinocytosis. When these two substances, may be solid form or may be liquid form, enter inside the cell, then it attach with the primary lysosome, then structure is formed, that is called the secondary lysosome, or you can say this is the heterophagosome. This is the another term used for the secondary lysosome. सेकेंडरी लाइसोसोम के लिए जो दूसरी टर्म यूज़ करते हैं हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं, हेट्रोफैगोसोम. आफ्टर द डाइजेशन the residual body, the after the waste products remaining, that are called the residual body, by the process of exocytosis they remove from the cell. So overall we can say that the lysosome have the enzyme which help in the digestion inside the plants. Now the function of lysosome. In the heterophagy, I already discussed that heterophagosome help in the digestion when any substance, may be in liquid form or may be in solid form, enter inside the cell, then help in the digestion because the lysosome have the digestive enzyme. Now second is the programmed cell death. Now we know that the overall many cells are replacing in the plant and the animal cell, so that help in the apoptosis process, that are the cell removing of the cell debris. Now the autophagy. Autophagy I already discussed in that the removal of the organelle. When the organelle go for the replacement, new or you know that in the any cell many organelle go that after the some time period the organelle replacement are occur, the older one are damaged one and the new one are the form organelle inside the cell. That process, when the older one go worn out, the lysosome help in the removal of these debris from the cell. Autolysis help in the whole of the cell, removal of the cell from the plant body. Then the fertilization, because the lysosome during the fertilization process, it help in the extracellular digestion. When any sperm enter inside the ovum, then the lysosome, sperm have the lysosomal enzyme that help in the degenerate the ovum wall so that the sperm enter inside the ovum. Now the chromosomal damage, sometime the having lysosome are having the digestive enzyme which can damage the nuclease enzyme, which can damage the chromosome, so it is the harmful effect of the lysosome. These are all the function of the lysosome. Now by in the arrow form I discuss here that what are the types, what are the function of lysosome, what is the degradation. The lysosome, phagocytic action, autophagic action, endocytic action, biosynthetic action, these all are the degradation action done by the lysosome. Now the microbial killing. When any microbe enter inside the cell, like outer maybe bacteria, maybe virus, when enter inside the cell, then the lysosome act as a macrophage or the neutrophils which help in the killing of that foreign particle inside the cell. Now the cytotoxic killing, this help in the removing of the harmful toxic substance from the cell. Now help in the cholesterol transport, that help in the cholesterol transport inside the cell. Detoxification, that removing the harmful substance toxic substance from the cell, that is called the detoxification. Now it help in the plasma membrane repair. These all the metabolic signaling, gene regulation, these function are not clear, that are what are the how the process of gene regulation done by the lysosome, but someone taking the role of one scientist show that the lysosome help in the gene regulation inside the plant cell. Now these are the Types of primary lysosome, how the primary lysosome are formed. The Golgi apparatus give the exvagination, that are the outgrowth that are from the primary lysosome. Primary lysosome attach with the entering endocytosis process food vacuole that form the secondary lysosome, that is also called the heterophagosome. These are form the digestive and the residual body, the waste material remaining that are called the residual body. Autophagy, I already discussed, dead organelle are removing with the help of the lysosome. This is process is called the autophagosome. Now here in this diagram showing here, already discussed, that are the primary lysosome, endocytosis, digestive vacuole, these are the residual body. This old mitochondria replacing here, when this old mitochondria go worn out, then the lysosome attach with this mitochondrial part and remove from the cell as a waste material. This is called the autophagy vacuole. Or in the digestive vacuole, in the heterophagosome, the residual body are formed, and the autophagosome, the residual body are formed that are expelled out from the cell in the form of exocytosis. Thank you for listening me.